some scissors to cut.
Mama.
Go with your cup, Johnny.
Okay.
Wawa, what you do?
Oh no.
Who did that, Wawa?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Papa. Mommy.
Huh?
Oh, Papa.
This thing is so frozen, y'all. I'm about to give you some sisters because I think this thing, you in the same house and communicate walkie talkies. I love it.
Again.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Yes, indeed, that's how we communicate. In the house. What we do, y'all? You want me to keep that door open?
What?
Oh, don't your daddy too.
I see you.
You didn't see me.
Yes, I did, baby.
You didn't see me.
Yes, I did.
No. Where was I?
You was behind the sheet, the black sheet. And you gonna do that right down here, bro. Alright, man.
Give me that cookie cake. Let me get that piece.
Why you just want to eat cupcakes?
Good. That chocolate gonna be all over the place.
The chocolate, that chocolate gonna be all over the place too.
That's not even chocolate. That's just cookie.
Yes, it is.
Tell them bring the chairs in here so they can get
Dirty. Come on. Hey, you spelling your finger out.
You want cupcake?
What is it?
Wait, Nana.
Why you screaming? And mama right here. Come on, Hannah.
Girl, stop. Stop. Her, you get a plate and get Sissy one. Oh, jeez. Stop. Alright, why you can't just like simply eat it? Why you gotta eat just the icing on it? I don't get that.
You do the same thing?
I eat the cake.
No, you don't.
If it's chocolate, I do.
No, you don't.
I do if it's
No, you
chocolate.
don't.
I gotta mute this, y'all. I gotta.
And that's why I said that.
No, wash your hands.
Look, y'all. Look at this. Look what she just did. We just gave her some cupcake and this